For the last couple of weeks, I have been asking you to buy and natural gas and stay bullish. Precisely on the daily charts, yes, triple bottom is done and it is given a very good gap up last week, and then 2.5 levels which we had talked about last week, 2.5 as a very good resistance, precisely achieved those levels and reversed. So now what to expect? Is it going to stay bullish again next week, or we can see a drop from here and we can see expect it to stay bearish? Which position you should take trading natural gas next week, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the daily analysis and targets. Also, you can do the same by joining my free Telegram channel. Link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we look into charts followed with indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy after analyzing it in detail. So do watch till the end. Let's start. Now, first of all, look at the daily chart. See triple bottom. That is what I said here. Thrice it tried to went or breach below 2.1 levels, went till towards 2.06 and then recovered. Now, stronger the base, as because for multiple days it has stayed at those levels, stronger the rise here. But right now, this time, you can see it is trying to trade in this bullish channel. And hence for next week, once it stays above 2.4 level, or rather I will say 2.42 levels, once again you can stay long above 2.4 to 2.5 and then 2.6 levels are the next target. This time possibly we may see a further more rise which is going to take it till towards 2.8 levels, the next destination. Yes, the bullishness is still there. You can also see with the help of last two channels, but these two candles are most important because see, after this big bullish candle, the retracement candles are there, and see, one is increasing body size and then smaller body size, which means any move on the downside below 2.35, you can sell there for 2.32 and 2.228 levels, and below that it is going to fill the gap here. Now on the downside till 2.2, net gas should not be considered as bearish. Remember this fact, till 2.2 levels, do not consider net gas as bearish here. Yes, there is a possibility that one red candle, couple of greener, then another red candle can be there. It can fill the gap and from there the rally might start again. That is one very strong probability here. Now look at the weekly. Now once again I have said that this is a reversal sign after the trend there. And this is a very strong reversal sign because it is coming after a very strong bearish trend. And hence, this is not even mandatory that it is going to fill the gap. It can give a gap up and stay bullish. That is also very much probable. But still, the likelihood of it of filling the gap exists here. And then till 2.2, do not consider this as bearish. That is what I will again say. And if you look at, now see, most importantly, look at the complete candle size. The body size is now smaller than the complete candle, which is also not a good sign for the bulls out there. Yes, we may see it retracing a little, but then again, after filling the gap, we can see it flying it again. So next week, there should be a little bit caution, which we should exercise, as we can see this a big bullish candle with, and the body size less than half of the complete size, which means that there is more of downward pressure, and hence on the upside 2.4 to 2.5 levels certainly, till the time it stays below 2.5, we have to be cautious and watchful. Now let's have a look at the monthly chart. Now looking at the monthly chart, see, previous two candles are almost of the same levels. The bottom was almost at the same level. This time it has breached the 2.1 levels, went till towards 2.06, and there it created a triple bottom on the daily charts. Now see, if you connect the dots, lower highs, lower lows, a rise here can be phenomenal, a gap up can be phenomenal, it can take it further high. Right now it is still, I think that it is, given the rise there could be little probability that it can try to retrace a little till towards 2.2 to 2.2 levels and keep the body size small. Possibly next month also we can see a bullishness which is going to take it further up. So this is something which we can expect in next couple of candles. Here it is trying to create this channel for next couple of months. So this is something, and hence a little retracement on the downside cannot be denied. However, till 2.2, do not consider this as bear. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. It is also equally important to understand that every rise is followed with a good drop, or every drop is followed with a good rise here. But let's understand why does this all happen. Now look at, see, it was trading outside Bollinger Bands here. At the same time, look at the super trend, which is situated at around 2.5 levels. Now these two gives a very strong combination. See, It was trading outside Bollinger Bands. It has got a good pullback. The 20 period moving average right now is giving it a very good support until 2.28. It is certainly a very good support. Now, also, if you look at the 20 period moving average, have started to look upwards and it started to converge. This is a good bullish sign, and hence you should be watchful of it. Now, look at the MACD. This is, Bollinger Bands. It has already started to expand. This is also bullish sign. Now, look at stock IST. This has dropped a bit on the daily charts. It has come to good levels. Let's see if it tries to bounce back. The MACD is still divergent and bullish, looking upwards, and it has still not much of a scope for it to achieve higher highs here. The RSI is also trading at a comfortable levels here. Now look at the weekly. Now look at the weekly chart here. It has crossed over here, trading with divergence, trading bearish. And on the, you can see the 50 and 100 period crossover too. This is also bearish sign, but since then we have seen a smaller recovery here, little recovery. The super trend here is also on the sell side, and the Bollinger Bands is already expanded here. Now is the time for it to converge at least. So probably till the on the weekly charts the highs are little far away. The stock stick is oversold and trying to recover from here, trying to rise from here. The MACD, interestingly, after weeks of bearishness since 2022, it is for the first time it is crossed over for the bullish move, and it is starting to diverge. I pray that this should be the beginning of the rise. So yes, we have to be watchful till 2.2. I will not consider this as bearish. Stochastic RSI is again trading near to the bottom, trading near to the oversold levels. Now look at the month. On the monthly chart, the moving averages started to converge. This is trying to trade bearish. The stochastic is extremely oversold, and hence this candle should remain in green. That is my expectation. And from here, a little rise cannot be denied for next couple of months. The MACD, on the other hand, is divergent and bearish, or were divergent and bearish so far. Now see, this crossover has happened here. It is seen a good rally. Now I told you in the year beginning itself that from here on the monthly chart there could be a retracement, and that is what has happened here. See, now it is flattened. It started to flatten here. You can see the candle size is diminished, so possibility of it to converge from here exists. A little convergence followed with a divergence still can be expected here. The RSI is almost come to comfortable levels near to bottom here. So now we have seen the chart, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategies so that you can trade profitably, you can trade comfortably. Just stick to the levels. Remember, every level followed with a second level. Yes, if one level breaks, we are going to look at the next level definitely. So trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now before I give you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, should be part of my mentorship batch 21, which is going to start on 1st of May. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group. Trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. Now see, on the next week, first target is where to buy. You can buy here at 2.395. 2.42 is the first target. Now remember, only and only if it stays about 2.42, we can expect that we are going to look at little more bullishness for 2.45 and 2.5 levels. Now wait for it to stay about 2.5. Remember, if it stays about 2.5, this time we are going to look at a very good rise for 2.65, 2.8 level, and this is going to happen in a very rapid manner. Hence, we have to be watchful and cautious of these levels. On the downside, where to sell? Remember, till the time it stays about 2.2, I am again saying and re-emphasizing it again, till the time it stays about 2.2, there is going to remain bullishness here. So for that reason, yes, you can sell here at 2.35 levels, but then 2.32, 2.28, very important. 2.32, 2.28, very important support zone. Be careful of this zone. Only if it breaks below 2.28, you can expect 2.24 the next target, and then 2.2 levels till 2. Now 2.2 is the strongest support here. This is the strongest zone. This is the strongest support. Below 2.2 only for the bearishness is going to take it for 2.1. 2.06, I don't think so that this is going to get achieved soon. Yes, filling the gap, it can bounce back, and hence you have to take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss till the time it stays between these levels. Remember, beyond 2.32 it is 2.28. Just keep booking for profits here. A little profit is better than no profit or loss here, and hence you have to keep booking your profits and keep re-entering. That is where trailing stop loss helps. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.